Hey, good morning. Today I'm going to be working on my kitchen cabinets. So I'm building two separate cabinets. One is going to be on that side of the wall, and that is going to be my sink and my refrigerator, and then the oven is going to be right here in this doorwell. So that is what I'm working on today. Good morning, welcome to day 2 of the oven cabinet build. Yesterday we had a tropical storm come through, so I wasn't able to get that much work done, but I'm here. This is what I've done so far. This is just the base. I'm getting ready to screw these in. So this will be the base of the cabinet. I'm still trying to figure out how I am going to. There are a lot of wires here, but that's because I'm going to be running them across the bottom of the cabinet. But I'm trying to figure out how I can still have access to this area here, because I need to be able to get to my MPPT. So let's get day 2 started. Here I am putting my base together. It's kind of like playing with Legos or something, I guess. Anyway, so I'm putting the base together. I'm using wood glue. And I'm also using 1.5 inch screws to go into the base. And for added support, you can see there I am adding L brackets. L brackets are a Vanlifer's best friend, I swear. Next, I'll be putting that top piece on, screwing in my legs, and then I will flip that sucker upside down so that I can begin to work on the shelves that are going to be house the oven itself. So I'm trying to make sure that the oven fits in there and the top sits out a bit. I want the oven to go kind of halfway and sit on the shelf. So I'm going to measure the distance. I think I want to go probably about 12 inches in from here. So my boards are 38 coming up, so I'm going to cut that in half. Alright. Okay, so I have made the base and the front part of the frame. I'm going to take this back out and apply the boards for the shelf, and then put it back in and see how that works. So I'm going to put a board from here to here, board from here to here, one from here to here, and one from there to there. So 4 boards that I'll be adding to this. I'll be back in a second. Good morning. So we're on day 3 of this cabinet build, and really I'm just tidying things up. So the cabinet is done. This is the cabinet itself. It's done. I just have to put the backings on, and I haven't done that because I stained it and I wanted to make sure everything dried. So that, and then I also need to put a facing door on here, and then I decided here I'm going to use this area for trash can space. I'm just going to connect a piece of wood here and then close this little piece off so that I can still get to my MPPT controller. It's going to have it where I can just lift that up and then I can look down in there. So I figured out the space. How does that oven look? Ooh, so sexy, I can't wait. I also have to put the heat board, and I'm going to be putting the heat board here and then on both sides of the oven as well. Almost there, guys. Almost there. This is the oven itself. Possibly will be putting some kind of board down here at the bottom across so that I make sure the oven doesn't slide out when I'm driving. But the heat plate is in place. Mission oven is complete. Now I just have to put a door here. I need to put a door on there, and then I have this space underneath for my cabinets. I'm going to run my electrical just down there. All those wires, they're going to be going through the back of the cabinet and coming out on the side on this panel here, so that I can turn on and off my light switches and things as such. So not too shabby, since I don't know what I'm doing for 3 days worth of building this particular project, and I will show you the finished product in just a minute. So see you soon. It's so hot here in Florida, like in this van. I have like a million fans going. 98 degrees in here, but soon I'll be done. I made a lot of mistakes, guys, so trying to correct those mistakes now. This is the cabinet here. Originally, it was too short. I had to extend it because when we put in the heat plate, it made the box smaller and the oven wouldn't fit inside, so I had to extend it out. And so now I'm going to have to put another piece of wood right here. I've already cut it. I have to stain it, then I'll attach it there. I have almost finished the cabinet. I have just this panel on here, painted it white, and I'm going to be putting the cabinet in the oven, sorry, is going to go in there. This will have a door, and I'm going to paint this white. So it's coming along. The van is coming along. I just have to figure out how to put up another shelf, and I'll be ready to put my mattress in after I do a deep cleaning. Yay! So excited how much my hair gets caught on everything, but I'm super excited. Yeah, it's coming out nicely. Thank you for watching this video. It only took me like 4 days and 50 mistakes as a rookie putting this cabinet together, but it's finally done. Thank you guys again, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. Talk to you later. Peace.